Hello guys, welcome to KrishnaDasMath lessons. Today we will show you how to find the square root of a perfect square extremely fast. So the things you need is a table with all the the square of 1 to 10. So because we're going to heavily use that in this video. So we're going to actually use 2304 as an example, since it's a pretty good example because it is a perfect square. So first off, we're going to concentrate on the last digit, which is 4. We need to find two perfect squares that end in 4. So perfect squares that end in 4 are 4 itself and 64. The square root of 4 is 2. We're going to write that down. The square root of 64 is 8. We're going to write that down. Now we're going to need to decide which number we're going to use. So we have to go to the left side. So this is where we're going to take our decision. So we're going to use 2 digits in this example because there's 4 digits. If the number has only 3 digits, we're going to use only 1 digit. So that's the first digit. In this example, we're going to use the first 2 digits. So we're going to need to find which perfect squares 23 is in between. So for this example, 23 is in between 16 and 25, which are both perfect squares. The square root of 16 is 4. The square root of 25 is 5. We need to take that into consideration because we're going to take the lesser number, which is 16, and we're going to write the square root down, which is 4. Now we're going to need to multiply 4 by 5, and we get 20. So if the number is less than the source number, in this case 23, we will take the bigger number. If the number is greater or equal to the source number, we need to take the lesser number. So in this case, we are going to take 8 since 20 is less than 23. So our answer is 48. So the square root of 2304 is 48. The next example we're going to do is 676. 676 is a number with 3 digits. So first off, we're going to concentrate on 6. We need to find 2 perfect squares that end with 6. The 2 perfect squares that end with 6 are 16 and 36. The square root of 16 is 4, so we're going to write that down as a lesser number. The square root of 36 is 6, so we're going to write that down as the greater number. Now we decide, like last time, which number is greater. So we're going to have to go to the first digit in this case because there's only 3 digits. So we need to find which perfect squares 6 is between. 6 is in between 4 and 9. The square of 9. So what we need to do is we need to pick the lesser number, which is 2, and multiply it by the next number, which is 3. So 2 multiplied by 3 is 6. So 6 is equal to 6. 6, we have to pick 6. So since if the number is exactly the same, we have to pick the greater number. So the answer is 26. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, share, and comment, and give any criticism if necessary. So and subscribe to the channel to give this channel some support because it's brand new. So thanks for watching. Bye.